All right, look at all these. This is mad. This is VTIR heaven, man. Look at all these mint cars.
That's just my
That Lotus though.
Oh yeah.
Lotus
That's
is mad.
always your fucking section.
I didn't realise that the EK4s have automatic windows.
Yeah. Get to see inside as well. Would not say no to that.
I have never been inside Elusive before, so this is going to be interesting.
This.
Mad. Oh, hello. Oh, we just switched midway.
How you been?
Oh, I've been good. Just came back from my dad's. Finally got to drive the Skyline again.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so I bought up. Oh, it's still running, which is great.
Yeah.
The battery died because I had the battery for about 2 years. So I went to Super Cheap and just got a spare Century battery just to keep it going. You know me too well. Look at all of these. And the Ganadors. Look at the shift knobs. I know exactly where you're coming once you're ready to do the B swap.
Oh yeah.
So many cool parts. Check out this VTEC CRX. Nah, that's a clean CRX. Right behind me is Elusive Racing, which is a really popular Honda shop down on Westall Road. It is one of the most iconic places to go and get racing parts, but also they are hosting a car meet today, which is the first that I've ever been. Here's some good examples. So this is my mate Demetrius's EK1, which he's kitted out with Type R style aero kit with some amazing SSR wheels that he's imported from Japan and original stickers. There's my boy as well, there's Zach. Wait, when are you gonna go over there next to that blue WRX? Wait, sorry? You can't get there? Shit, really? Yeah, oh yeah, that'll work too. You're fine there.
I like that carbon on top. That actually looks nice.
Matchy.
It actually looks nice. I just hate the yellow inside the engine bay.
I think it's because it was originally yellow, maybe.
Yeah. I think you hate the yellow.
Wait, could this be wrapped though? Let's look at the cells.
Plain painted and detailed, yeah.
Oh no, it's been painted. So it's painted, but they just didn't paint the engine bay, so it's a closed door.
That's what I'm saying. The inside's yellow, it's just dirty.
Yeah.
That's why Zach's a bit up iffy about it because it's detailed.
And then the bonnet, the bonnet.
Hey yo, Honda Civic. Wait, that's not Civic, that's Accord.
Civic?
Accord.
You know what's a good photo
it's
opportunity?
champagne. Huh?
GTR and fogs.
Oh, I wish I didn't pack my camera up.
No?
We have a predicament right now. How is this guy gonna get out without scraping? I spoke too soon. Way too soon. Is he gonna scrape for a second time though? And he do. Bumper, bumper.
Bumper.
He's pulling in. Oh, that has a little bit of a tick.
I like that.
Just a little bit of a tick.
How much the motor cost you?
5,000 or something.
Wheels are mint too. We got Mr. Fisherman over here. Hey yo, that's Steezy. As you can see, I am completely drenched from the rain that we just had. It's been raining and windy for most of this weekend, so hopefully it will clear up tomorrow because we got a big day tomorrow at Sandown. So I will hopefully see you guys there, but we have had an amazing time at Elusive Racing, just chilling and enjoying some Honda legends, just pulling in. We got to see the shop, we got to witness some amazing car culture just in one small strip of street right off Westall Road. So if you guys have any Honda inquiries or you just want to see some amazing cars, check out Elusive Racing for some amazing car goodness and some Honda VTEC power. Anyway, I gotta get going. We're just gonna go and chill, and then very soon a new video will be popping up on the channel for some Sandown action. We'll see you guys there.